So this is our packing shed. This is kind of where we harvest, comes in here and we wash. So like a lot of our leafy green vegetables, we put in like the bathtubs over here and we soak them in water. We wash the root vegetables through this fancy machine right here. Like we put the dirty carrots on here and then it goes through this tunnel and there's all these different angles of water that are shooting all over it. Blasting it, getting all the dirt off, and so that it comes out on the other side so we can have clean vegetables.
So the third grade especially goes on a lot of field trips. Some of the main things that they study in third grade, they're like 9 and 10 years old, is farming, fiber arts and how clothes are made, and shelters. Those are kind of like the three main things, and they learn lots of different things. They learn their arithmetic through measurement, they learn how to cook, so they learn all these kinds of things like real world examples of all of these things. And a lot of the field trips that they go on in third grade are to various farms throughout the island to learn about how all of the food ends up on their plates and what goes into that whole process. And they go to visit different kinds of shelters and learn about ancient Hawaiian shelters, all kinds of things like that.
Yeah, I don't think anybody on our team is excited to wash vegetables one at a time by hand. This requires maybe a little touching up, but it's pretty dang clean. If you guys listen to that sound right there, there's like a little kind of hum or something. That's our walk-in cooler running, and our whole operation over here is all off-grid. So we're running off of solar power. From the sun, we're using this power from the hot sun to make cold vegetables.
Oh, sugar cane! Sugar cane!
Maybe, yep.
Actually, how do you call this?
Carrots? Yes, you guys can have a carrot. Yep. So pretty cool how we can make the hot sun turn into cold, yeah?
Yep. I really like it.
Yeah.
It's not that cold.
Yep. If it's a really cloudy day, then it kind of works in our favor because there's still a little bit of sun that still makes it through. But then it's also less hot, and so we don't need as much power. But sometimes we'll have to use a generator to back it up. But hopefully in this coming year, or by the end of this year, we have a couple wind generators picked out that we're going to put up here as well, so that, you know, when it's stormy or like when the sun, because if it's windy, that's usually the clouds are blowing in to block the sun, right? But then you have the wind, and then we can use the power from the wind to also make electricity.